She pulled up to the house and already felt something was wrong. The call was simple. Certify a signature on a will amendment. Routine work. But when she walked in, the old man wasn't sitting at a table ready to sign. He was sinking into a chair, eyes glassy, hands trembling. His adult children stood around him like walls. Nobody said anything threatening. They didn't have to. She asked to speak with him alone. They said that wasn't necessary. She asked him directly if he understood what he was signing. He looked at his children before he answered. That was enough. She closed her folder. She said she couldn't certify the document. She said she wasn't satisfied the signature would be given freely. The room went cold. She drove home knowing she would probably lose the referral, maybe more. But she also knew what she had just stopped. One confused old man, one pen, and one person willing to say no. She slept fine that night. Not every act of protection looks heroic. Some just look like a notary closing her folder and walking out the door. Follow for more stories like this.